Okay, now it's better. Okay, dear.
Yeah.
So tell me where we are. Open the, I believe we are at the Jupyter, right?
Yeah.
So let's go. Open the Jupyter notebook again.
Mm.
You can directly search for Jupyter.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Search there. Jupyter. JUP. Open this. Now you need to wait. Don't close this CMD, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, let it be open. Okay, this ID you are using, right? So, okay, now do one thing. See, there was a written that don't ask again. Click on that don't ask again. Perfect. Okay, close this Anaconda assistant. Perfect. Go in downloads. I believe Python script. Open the Python script folder. It is already there. Wait. It is already there in the folders. See the Python script folder. Last one, two, three, fourth. Last fourth folder. Yeah. Open that. Yeah. Perfect. Open this data analytics project. Yeah. Open this file. Double click on the data analytics on house price data. Perfect. It is opening. Now, let's suppose this is the very basic question that I'm telling you. Let's
Mm.
suppose you want to see this file in your file explorer. How you can do that? Big question, right? So
Yeah.
open the file explorer. I'm going to tell you how to find this data analytics house price data set. Okay. So now go in the scroll down into the navigation bar, into the navigation.
Navigation bar.
Left hand side, extreme left hand side. You have that. Yeah. Left hand side, you are saying desktop documents are there, pictures, music.
Yeah.
Yeah, scroll down there. Yeah, go down, go at the end. Yeah, go in this PC. Okay, open the Windows C. Now open the users, last second folder, users. Open that. Now, okay, there is so many. Open the third profile. I believe your data is going to be there only. Open that. Okay, no. Here, let me see. No. Go back. Open the second folder, Ankita. So here it is. Scroll down. Now look at the folder. There is a Python folder is here. So this is going to be your root directory. Remember that. Okay. This is going to be your root directory. Open that Python script folder. So see, here is the folder data analytics project, right? Open that.
Yeah.
Open that. So now here you can see your Python file, right? So if somebody
Yeah.
asks you this is your Python file, so you need to tell them I need to go in this PC, then Windows C, then users, then Ankit. Why you write your name as Ankit? Your name is Ankita, right?
Yeah.
It's
Because
okay.
I
Python
maybe.
scripts.
Yeah.
Yeah, Python script is folder there. In the Python scripts, you have a data analytics projects, and inside the data analytics project, you have this Python file. Okay, remember
Yeah.
that. Now go there into the your last browser. Open the last browser. Yeah, perfect. Open that. Now, whenever first time you open this specific, what I can say, window, what is the first step you need to do? Click on kernel and do the restart and run all cells. This is the one thing that you need to do every time. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So are you able to see that file, edit, view, run, and kernel? Click on that kernel.
Yeah.
Restart and run all cells.
Restart.
And run all cells.
Run all sales.
Yeah, open, click that. Wait a second. Again, do it, please. Yeah, click on that. Okay, very good. Click on restart. Now wait. Yeah, we are here. Go ahead then. Now remember, every time whenever you open the Jupyter, so you need to do what? You need to do the, what I can say, restart and run all. Now go in that interpretation folder. You need to convert that cell into the markdown layer.
Yeah.
Do
But
that. Go inside that line number 39, 13. Go inside the line number 13. Yeah. Now click on code.
click on what, sir?
Code. After the help, there is a code is written, right? You need to convert this into the markdown.
Yeah.
Where is the kernel? After the kernel, there is a setting, then there is a help, then under the help, there is a code. Click on that code and click on markdown. Okay, now remove the space between I of interpretation and the star star. There is no space needed. Yeah, very good. At the end also. Do the shift enter. Now look at the magic, right? So there is this you need to write down. Now we are going to start with the data pre-processing. So write down 2 times hash in the next cell.
This one
Hash
or no?
hash. Oh, this is the next cell only. Write down hash space space.
Space.
Yeah, write down data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. Now what we are going to do basically, we are actually do the data pre-processing here. Okay, now convert this into the markdown again. Perfect. Now write down 2 times hash. Sorry, 3 times hash. Space. Data cleaning. Actually, no need to do the data cleaning. Remove that. Write down null value handling directly. Null value handling. Now the first concept that is going to be come in your mind, that what is meant by null value basically. Okay, so missing records are called null value in the Python. Convert this into the markdown here.
Okay.
Now do the shift enter. Perfect. Okay, so now convert this into the raw. Click on code again.
What so, sir?
No. Like you convert into the markdown, click on that code. Yeah, now there is a last option called row. Raw. Click on that. Very good. Now this cell is converted into the raw. Go inside the cell. Go inside the cell. Very good. Now write down there. There is two kind of null values. There is two kind of null values we have in the data. Enter. Space hyphen space. Valid null values. Enter. So if someone asks you what are the types of null values, so you need to say that there is a two kind of null values we have. One is called valid null values in the bracket. In the bracket. Implicit missing record. Implicit missing record. Complete the round bracket. Enter. Space hyphen space. Now write down there. Invalid null value. In bracket. Explicit missing record. Explicit.
Yeah. Explicit, right?
Yeah, explicit missing records. enter, shift enter, sorry.
Oh, shift enter.
Now again convert this cell into the raw again. Very good. Now write down. There is certain law. Write down inside that. There is certain law that we need to follow. There is certain law space that we need to follow to treat the null record. Give me a second. There is someone on the door.
तुमचं धागो ओपन करून
Yeah, perfect. Let's go further. Enter space hyphen space. Oh, no need to give the space hyphen space. Remove that. If we have, write down, if we have missing percentage between No, remove that between. Remove percentage less than. No. Missing percentage less than 10%. Less than 10%. Less than 10%. Hyphen space. Remove the observations. Remove the observations. Enter. If we have missing percentage between missing percentage between very good, missing percentage between 20 to 70%. Perfect. Okay, very good. Percent space hyphen. Impute the missing record means we need to add something in those missing records. Okay. Write down there. Impute the missing records. Enter. If we have missing percentage greater than 80%, 80%, we need to remove the attribute. Okay, do the shift enter. Now in the question we are saying that we need to find the percentage first, right? What we need to do, we need to find the percentage first. So how we can do that? It's very simple. Write down there hash space, find the count of missing records. Hash space, find the count of missing record. Missing records. Enter. Write down data frame name. What is the data frame name we have?
DF, house.
Scroll
DF,
up, you can check.
DF
Scroll
house.
up. Yeah, df underscore house underscore price, right? So write down that. Click on tab. Wait a second. Click on tab.
Which this?
Yeah, click on tab.
Oh, tab button.
Yeah. Yeah, see, select that. So you do not need to write every time, right? Yeah. Dot is null ISNULL. Every no, it needs to be in small because Python is a case sensitive language there.
So everything small. Okay.
Yeah, is null. Open the round bracket, close the round bracket. Dot sum. Open the round bracket, close the round bracket. Do the shift enter. So as we can see here, in number of hospital beds, we have 8 missing record, whereas in the water body, we have 155 missing record, okay?
Yeah.
But in the laws, we say that there needs to be a percentage, right?
Yeah.
So how to find percentage for anything? Can you tell me? Hello.
Don't know,
If
sir.
someone asks you to find a percentage, so can you tell me how to find that?
Mm,
Hello.
don't know, sir.
Okay. So if someone asks you about how to find a percentage, you need to say that number of events, sorry, occurrences, what you can say? Occurrences divided by total number of events multiplied by 100. Remember this definition for entire life. Okay. Statistically, we can say like this. Okay. What we can say? Occurrences divided by total number of event multiplied by 100. This
Okay.
is going to be your number. Okay. Remember that. So now we are also going to do that. Write down hash space. Find the missing percentage. Find the missing percentage. Right, enter. Write the same code, you write it in line number 18.
Okay.
Okay. Divided by means slash len, len. Open the round bracket. Inside that, write down. Inside the round bracket, write down the data frame name.
There are DF house.
Very good. Go at the end, multiplied by 100.
Outside bracket or
Yeah, outside the bracket, multiplied by in star, multiplied by 100. Do the shift enter. Oh, that square bracket question mark after is null.
uh,
There is a no
some
question mark after is null, right? Remove that question mark. Do the shift enter now. Perfect. So as we can see, 30.63% data missing from water body, whereas 1.58% data is missing from number of hospital beds.
okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm,
that is the big concern, right?
yeah.
Now, after that, what we are going to do, we are going to write down in the next sheet, write down next cell hash space, sorry, star star interpretation, write down star star interpretation. Enter space hyphen space 30.63% data is missing from what is the column name? Water body, right?
Water body.
So write down there water body column. Enter space hyphen space 1.58% data. Very good. From number of hospital beds. Number of hospital beds. Okay. Now convert this into the markdown. Right? Do the shift enter. So remember one thing, whenever we do the analytics, we need to understand one thing.
Mhm.
What what is the base thing that we need to understand? The thing is, you always need to start with the lesser one, okay? Sorry, highest one. Means in this case, we are going to start with water body column because it contains the highest number of missing record, okay?
Okay.
So this is the thing you need to understand before jumping into the specific stuff.
Okay.
So let's do it. So what are the steps to treat? Okay, so write down hash space, hash space. Find the nature of the column. Find the nature of the column. Find the nature of the column. Enter. Write down. No icon. Write down. Remove that. Write down data frame name. Dot column name. Column name is water body, dear.
Oh, what about?
Write down water body. I need that in the D types. Go at the starting of the cell. Go at the starting of the code. Write down. No. Wait. Scroll down. Where is going? Starting of the say, code means you need to go before df underscore house price. Write down D types. D types. types. Open the round bracket. Delete that. Delete the
Mm.
round bracket.
Round bracket.
Only one. Open the round bracket. I need that entire code into the one round bracket. Yeah. Go at the end. Complete the round bracket. And now do the shift enter. Okay. He was saying D types not defined, right?
Mhm.
So, okay. We need to do the info then. Remove those round bracket and D types. Remove the round brackets and D types. Very good. Okay. Dot info. Open the round bracket, close the round bracket. Do the shift enter. So we can see that in this specific one, that check the D type. It's an object, right? Just under the D type, you can see that there is an object is written, right?
Yeah.
Object represent the categorical column. Okay, so go in the next cell, write down hash space. Hash space. Water body is water body is categorical column in bracket. Its data type is object. Its D type is object. In a bracket, its D type its D type is
Inside the column, sir.
inside the round bracket.
It's
D type is its
it
D type
types.
is its D type is object. Go at the end, click on enter. Now hash space, find the mode of the column. Find the mode of the column. Do you know about mode? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is meant by mode basically?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay. So mode is most repeating quantity in the data is called mode. Okay. Remember that always. So whenever
What
someone
you
asks you,
what you said, sir?
yeah, so you need to say that all, what I can say, most repeating quantity in the data is called mode.
Okay.
Okay. Most repeating quantity in the data is
I need
called mode.
to.
Okay. So we need to find the mode of this column. Okay.
Mhm.
Click on enter. Write down data frame name dot column name. What is the column name? Water body, right? So write down water
Body.
body dot mode. Mode is a statistical function. So mode, after that, open the round bracket, close the round bracket. Do the shift enter. So river is a mode. Okay.
Mhm.
So now we are going to replace those null values with the river. Okay. So now write down hash space. Replace the null records. Replace the null records with a river in. With river in. With river in. Replace the null records with river in water body column. Enter. Write down the data frame name dot column name. Same code you have in the line number 29 dot water body open the round bracket. Sorry, sorry. Close that. Yeah, space is equals to space. Write down the same code data frame name dot column name.
Column name is river or
Water body.
water body.
See, river is not a column name. River is the actually entity present inside that column. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So dot fill na fill open the round bracket. Inside the round bracket, give the single quote and write down river. R should be capital. Complete the round bracket. Complete the round bracket. Yeah. Do the shift enter. Now write down hash space. Do the authentic check.
Um,
Enter. Scroll up quite a bit. Scroll up. Yeah, wait. Now this percentage code, line number 22. Copy that. Line number 22. Copy that code from there. Yeah. Control C. go at the end, go at that cell, Control V, do the shift enter. So you can see from water body column all null records are removed, right?
Yeah.
Now we have what? Number of hospital beds, right? Only one is remaining. Scroll up,
Mm-hmm.
go where we write those raw data. Scroll up, scroll up. Wait. Yeah. Now look at the laws and look at the first law. When you have the less than 10% missing record, what do you do with that?
Remove the observation.
Remove the observations means rows. Okay, remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Observations means what? Simply number of rows.
Okay.
Okay, so what you need to do, you need to remove the number of rows from that specific column.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we are going to do that. Scroll down, go at the end, write down data frame name is equals to again data frame name dot dot drop na. Open the round bracket, close the round bracket, do the shift enter. Now write down hash space, do the authentic check. Again the again write down the code that you write it in line number 33.
33.
Yeah. Now do the shift enter. Now you can check all the missing records from the data are removed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we are going to stop here. Tomorrow we can start with something else. Okay, something new. Now I want to show you something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Recently I come across with one of the case study. One of my student is got interview call from one of the company for the same kind of role that you are actually serving, you want to serve. Okay, like a business intelligence kind of role it is. Maybe you
Mm-hmm.
ask me a question there, we need to have the coding knowledge or not. So it's not necessary every time. Okay, it's not necessary all the times. So it is depend on the scenario. Okay, I'll tell you, let me, you can stop share dear.
Okay.
Stop sharing. Perfect. Now let me share my screen. Entire screen. I believe my screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
Now let's go here. Parth case study. His name is Parth. Okay. Parth is
Okay.
got a call from the one company. He need to solve one case study.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The name is senior collaborations analysis. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the role basically he want to serve. Same business intelligence kind of role it is. There is no need to have the coding skills and all. Okay.
Uh-huh.
But I'll tell you one thing. When I go through this case study, he asked me for help. He said, sir, I need your help. Can you please help me with the case study? And also I was like, okay, he can, because he was my student previously.
Okay.
Now, when he asked me to do that, I go through all the stuff that we have here. Okay. After going through these all things, I got to know that I need to use coding. Now, not a company is going to ask me to do the coding now, not even my that person is going to ask me for coding. But you know what? It's depend on the task that you want to simplify for yourself. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's not about whether that job role requires any kind of coding skills or not. It's all about our requirements that we have. So after going to through the specific case study, I got to know that it needs coding. Okay. Then I
Mm-hmm.
perform the coding. The same kind of coding also I am also teaching to you also. Okay. So when you go through this case study, you got to know that yeah, coding is required. So when I
Okay.
go through it, I got to know this specific thing. Okay. So in this specific one, I have this case study PPTX. What you need to do, you need to simply say send him the PPT. That PPT should be look like this. The name of the one is the optimization of customer risk segmentation and delinquency management strategies at Rogers Communication. Now Rogers Communication is the name of the company and he want to do this. He need to make an introduction to risk segmentation. What is mean by risk segmentation? Basically, he made only 10 slide effectively, and the 11th one is a thanks one. When you go through it, you can got to know that yeah, these are the information that we can do after performing the analytics. Okay, so it's not about that is actually I want to taught you guys that it is not every time necessary to company is going to ask you to use coding or not. It's basically depend on the tasks that you need to use. Okay, whether it's necessary or not. So you also as a business analyst don't think that you do not need to think about coding and all. Maybe in the future that depend on the task you need to use the coding. Maybe possibility is going to be there, right? So
Yeah.
we need to be very sure while this. Okay, so you also need to be very careful while doing this. Okay, I believe it's clear. Okay, so I am going to send you those entire folder, okay, to
Okay.
your system so that you can understand. Okay, these are the things you need to work on. I believe it's
Okay,
clear,
sir.
right?
Yeah.
I'm going to share that file through your maybe I'm going to share that file on your WhatsApp group so that you can
Mhm.
got to know how which kind of task companies exactly give you. Okay, because you may be heard about assessment, right? So
Yeah.
companies are going to provide you the assessment also. So you need to know how to solve those assessments and all. So that's what
Mhm.
I'm going to provide you that. Okay,
Yeah.
so that you can have in a real time idea that how exactly the things are happening, okay,
Yeah.
in the real time cases. So that is something. So it's my recommendation, go through that files. If you got any question you can ping me on WhatsApp in the group. Okay, I'll be always available. From
Okay.
tomorrow we are going to start with the data analytics in the Python. Okay,
Okay, sir.
maybe it's going to take approx 3 days. Next 3 days it is going to be covered.
Mhm.
Okay, let me check how many. I believe we already completed a week, right?
Yeah.
Oh, second, we already completed 2 weeks. Okay. Maybe in the next month of first week of next month, we are going to wrap up entire things, right? That
Yeah.
we can do. Okay, dear. That's all from my side. Do you have any question? Go ahead, ask me.
Mm. No, sir. No. No.
Perfect, dear. No worries. Let's connect tomorrow on the same time, right? Let me
Yes, sir.
stop recording. Record. Stop recording. Stop.